In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Glide apps versus Retool. Now, what is Glide apps? Well, Glide allows you to build an app from a Google Sheet in 5 minutes for free. And Retool allows you to create internal tools for your team and business really fast. What would be the differences? Why would I use one over the other? For Glide apps, I would be using this primarily if I'm trying to test an idea, and I would be using this forward facing with my users. Perhaps that I'm thinking about building some kind of directory or building something for a business. Easily I could do this with Glide. And if I feel overwhelmed, I can go to the templates, and then I can go to all templates and start looking at different options to build out. What I like about Glide is it's really easy to get started. I can just look at a certain template, and then I can preview it, and then I can clone it and get started. I can copy the app and get started. Now, if there's certain apps that I really like, again, you can buy the templates and get going from there. But again, I see Glide as an option if I am trying to have a proof of concept, build a minimal viable product really quickly and show key functionality. I'm gonna go with Glide. Now, I see there being a clear distinction of why I would use Retool. If I am trying to build something for my business, and this is for my internal records, trying to be tracking certain behaviors, inventory, all of these things, I would be using Retool. And also, I would be using this if I am familiar with different components such as SQL and others. I see this really being powerful if you have anything with AWS or different things here. There's just so many things you can hook up to. But I've seen that this is a bit of a learning curve, and this is for ones that are already working with data and already working with different structures in place like AWS or others, that they want to have a dashboard or some kind of directories to engage with their information. So if I'm going to be building out an idea and I'm going to be testing it out as a startup or a side hustle, I would probably do it with Glide. But also Retool, I would use it for my own business, but I also see a huge opportunity if I'm familiar with using a lot of these different types of tools, and I have identified either a system or workflow that has worked for me. I could then build it in Retool and then have it available for other teams for internal uses as well. There's a huge component, and the founder of Product Hunt was talking about the need for internal tools are growing because for having customization, having a huge type of software as a service or a SaaS platform won't allow specific businesses to have the custom experience that they would need for certain businesses. Tools like Retool will allow you to fill the needs of very niche types of businesses and workflows and be able to scale with this. So I view an opportunity with SaaS, software with a service, and you're using something like Retool to build a internal tool for their team. So I think if you're looking to be almost like that linchpin in a business, I see Retool being a phenomenal tool. So again, I would first write down goals. Are you doing this to be testing an MVP or something forward-facing with a user, or are you building something for yourself or your team, or an internal team that is in a niche that you see what they need help with, and you can build out that workflow, build out that tool for them to get to the next level. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are you working on? What questions do you have? And also, if you want other versus videos, different tools, or what I would suggest, make sure that you leave in the comment section suggestions of what you want me to review or how I would use that tool. I'll see you in the next video.